Hello and welcome to Train Symbiotic. In this week's episode, I'm going to be looking at restoring the local list on my ECOS controller. If you saw my episode, which is how did my railway fare with the bad weather, there should be a link somewhere up there in a second. You'll know that my local list was lost from my ECOS. So in this episode I'm going to try to restore it. I got two methods to do it, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we're on my computer. This is the active computer, and I got two documents here. First one is objects loco. This should be for complete local list, and I'm hoping that this will be for easy way to restore the layout of a local list. If that fails, I got to back up off a complete ECOS just there, so I'll be trying that as a backup to restore it to that point there. The problem with that method is you lose any work you've done since that point. So I'll power up the ECOS and see what we can do. Okay, so I got the ECOS here. First thing I need to do is find out the IP address. So click on that icon, click on IP there, and at 192.168.125. This is the address here. And the reason I need this is I go onto my PC and put that in on my web browser, and it will give me access to the ECOS. So what I'm now going to do is go and put that address in on the PC. Okay, I'm at the computer 192. You can see I've used it before, so I put that in. And this is the controller. So hopefully, if I press on restore, that's my second option. So let's see if local image. No, that's not the one I'm after. Okay, I will try object, and this is the only list of locos I have. So with this being the problem, I'm going to restore a config. I'm just going to check for files date. That looked like a new one. So I click on choose file. And that looked like the newest one. So I press open. And then send. And the controller is now restoring itself. There's one major moral from this: make sure to always back up your controller. For that have now loaded properly, the computer saying last backup restored, and I have lost a few months worth of work, so hopefully nothing too serious. But clicking on select for locos, I have a full loco list back again, so that's all good. I'm now going to see what I have actually lost. And I still got lights on there, so let's go on to 5. And looking at this, pressing for buttons, I can't actually see what I have lost. So hopefully it's not as bad as I thought. So just checking everything, and it seemed like everything had been restored. So I'm pleased I made the backup, but I need to make sure to back up the layout each time I've done any work to it. So I'll quickly go onto the computer and show you how to back it up. Go onto the web page whereabouts you for your which you get the address from your e-course. Then you click on store configuration, store setting, whereabouts it's stored for local list of all accessories and routes. Some of the system configuration and user defined images, and you can see just down here it backing it up, and now that's stored. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful. If you have an e-course or any other system which you can back up, make regular backups as you work through the project, so that you don't lose your work. And make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you all next week. Thank you very much, Richard.